Let's get you connected to AT&T Fiber in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Connect your smart device to your new home network using the name and password on the back of your AT&T Wi-Fi gateway. Your gateway is often behind a wall panel, and sometimes your Wi-Fi name and password may be on the panel itself. But check with your property manager if you don't see it. Step 2. With the smart device, go to myinstanton.att.com. Step 3. Once connected, select a plan and complete your order. That's it! You're ready to start streaming. Need help? Call us at 877-677-1904. Thank you for choosing AT&T.